operator of the machine. He helps him to push and making what he wants. Very difficult to know who brought this machine in our country. Since he grew up, he finds his fathers, they are just doing like that. So I don't know the story of that. He was at Mtwara from his father, who's the teacher of him. So he has experience enough to operate this machine. Maybe I don't have exactly the number of them who know to operate this machine. But nowadays it's not many. Maybe can be 20 or 25 people. What he's doing now is making a shape of this candle holder. You know that this space must be all like this, and this is like this. So that is the mark he's putting. When the wood is bent, to make something straight is very difficult. You can see the wood is rough before doing this. So it makes it easier in making wood. They can make even a big candle holder this size, this machine. That you see, those posts are long. So this is the extension of the size of the something that is going to put and make it on his machine. That is to make the post be long. The cow skin is more fat, so this is a thin, so it's good for his work. This goat skin, he can use it for even a month for one goat skin. It's the operator of the machine coming from the lemon tree. Lemon tree is hard than the other tree, so he decided to use the lemon tree. He said that when you use the first tool, it's not making smooth. So for this one, can make smooth to remove all the corrugation and make smooth. This is special for making hole like this. To get this hole, you must use this, the candle holder. The hole is putting a candle. When you finish that section, you see him comparing to make sure that the size is same, because it's going to be a pair. Yeah. So it is not possible one to be thin, one fat. Must be same. We used to see from others, see a standing machine, you have to stand when you are working. This one they used to operate when they are sitting, so that is a little different. This takes a lot of energy. You see, pushing, doing this. They used to use this machine from his father. So we have to educate him that we have got the electricity machine that can help you to make this job easier and more fast. Maybe you have to understand, he can move from old to new machine.